Hello and welcome back to another video Magic Cat. Today we are back with another crypto video. Hope you guys are doing well. Today is a very well timed video for you guys because everything in the market right now is on a low, and it makes sense for me to make this video because you guys have seen me make videos about Atropa and PDAI and all that ecosystem. But I feel like right now is the right time to see what else is there to invest in the Pulsechain ecosystem. I hope you guys enjoy this video, but before we get into it, I just wanted to address my latest video about Helios, how I got it incorrect. It's actually on the Ethereum. It's not launching on Solana. I misread the word SOL, Sol. They meant it as sun in the Latin meaning. You know, it's one of those days where it was a Sunday and I really wanted to make a video on Helios. Did not research that much, to be honest with you guys. So I do apologize for that. But hey, at the end of the day, I tested your guys' ability to do your own research. You know, I keep telling you guys, my videos are a spotlight, and y'all have to do your homework, because I've seen enough comments where people tell me, oh, you know, I just jumped into Warren Finance, and oh, how do I unstake? You should have known that before you invested. You know what I mean? Some people asking me about, you know, Pulse Drip, how do I unstake my teddy bear? You know, they stake their whole teddy bear bag into Pulse Drip. What's it called? You know, the Pulse Drip farms, whatever it's called. So at the end of the day, don't rely on my video to capture the whole set of information that you guys need to know. So if you guys really understand that, but at the same time, I will take away from this that I'm going to spend more time researching. It's just that it was a Sunday. I wanted to get the video out, you know, because I love hashtag build on TitanX XYZ. But let's get into Pulsechain. Okay, this is what it's all about. This is my favorite, by the way, my favorite network. Like if you also agree to that. But yeah, I wanted to highlight a couple of tweets that I really liked. One is from Walrus. This update makes the indicator even more bullish. Okay, FTX sold about 1 billion of Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF, explaining much of outflow. Sources: Bitcoin's price has fallen since Bitcoin's ETFs were approved. In theory, now the FTX is done selling its substantial holdings. The selling pressure could ease since a bankruptcy estate liquidating holdings is a relatively unique event. That is true, and that is a very good point about, you know, the sell pressure is being reduced and stuff like that. I think Bitcoin right now is like 39k. And then there's another tweet that I hear. This one, he's kind of like black pilled on crypto now. It seems like crypto will go to zero. The US just ended DeFi. ETFs nuked Grayscale. Soon all Web3 companies, including Uniswap, will be banning US citizens. There's no use case. As value crashes, the network security drops, reducing more value. Death spiral. And then obviously Pulse Wallet, which I love them, by the way, and I will make a review on their wallet soon. I might even start using their wallet. So let me know if you want me to do that video sooner than later. Shout out to Pulse Wallet, really like them. And they said, you know, nothing happens to anyone that can't endure. You know what I mean? We came from a bear market, man. Okay, at the end of the day, we're still up. We're just having our first negative week after a very green 2 weeks or green 1 week. Okay, a lot of things went up, multiple X's, and I didn't even anticipate for that. Okay, it's gonna be, I'm gonna show you guys in the tokens that I'm, you know, to hold. So yeah, anyways, those are the two kind of. Oh, and this one as well, another one from what you call it, Pulse Wallet. You know, just talking about how people are literally selling Bitcoin, Ethereum, 4hex, and Pulse. It kind of just shows you how the Bitcoin dominance, by the way, is going to be reducing as time goes on, which is actually crazy. And, you know, am I ready for that? It's kind of, it is crazy because, you know, relying on Bitcoin to be up and down kind of gives you that, okay, we all know, we all trust Bitcoin. But if it's not dominant, it's going to be more volatile. If you really think about it. But at the same time, I think, you know, altcoins, Ethereum, you know, we love all that. So yeah, I don't know, it's something to really think about. You know, Bitcoin dominance, do we really want it to not be as dominant as it should be? You know, in the, like, if you think of the 80-20 rule, we want Bitcoin to be dominating 80% of all crypto. Anyways, I want to hear your thoughts. Okay, anyways, going back to it, one of the first tokens that you can invest in aside from Atropa and PDAI is PulseX. Okay, we all know this. I've made videos on this, but guys, I just have to mention the main Richard Heart ecosystem tokens out the way, just because, for example, if you want to look at how much it did a 1.5x, this is PulseX. We were talking about a literal token with 40.9 liquidity. Do you understand how hard that is? how much money that is to literally look at that volume, guys. It's crazy. It's a really good volume. Okay, so PulseX, definitely a great hold. Okay, but don't expect too many X's. I wouldn't, like this bull run, I wouldn't really expect anything over. Okay, this might sound like fudding, but it's not really. I wouldn't expect anything over a 10x, like, okay, 15x, like, okay, I don't know, correct me in the description. Okay, guys, I gotta be realistic, because we got other tokens that you can look forward to. Next up is Hex. This one, ladies and gentlemen, this is Hex from Pulsechain. Okay, this is something that I'm yet to DCA more into. This one, I think definitely I can see it going to $1 plus, not financial advice, of course, which is obviously just under 100x, I believe. Looking at this number, this seems like, what, 80x, I think, because the 555 and 80x from there, really great. And literally, guys, in the past week, it did another 1x, which is absolutely annoying, because I really wished I kept DCAing. It's just that I had different priorities at XYZ. But don't sleep on, because I've seen a lot of people talk about PHEX or EHEX. Listen, guys, it's as simple as, how about you just split your bag that you're anticipating to invest and then go into both. Don't miss out on either of them. You never know. One could do a 50x, one could do an 80x. It's still going to hurt missing out on 50 or an 80 or another 50 or another 80x. So keep that in mind, because the next one is obviously going to be the EHEX one. You know, it's not, you know, it's 2 zeros and an 8. This one is 0 and a 1. So you know, you guys can think about it. Oh, this one is 1 million liquidity. Oh, but that's the Uniswap. Let's see what the V2 has. Oh, it's still low liquidity if you really think about it. Actually, wow, EHEX has way lower liquidity compared to PHEX. So if you really think about it, ladies and gentlemen, this can pump way easier. We're talking about this can pump 22 times less, or 22 times more rapidly than PHEX. So wow, there you have it. Okay, there you have it. That's something to think about. Next up, guys, this is one I need to carry on DCAing. You know how they say it's hashtag never late? Well, this is hashtag never enough for me, because I can never have enough of buying up and UpX. Honestly, I literally can see those. I can see this. Like, look at those liquidities, ladies and gentlemen. I can literally see this going above. No financial advice, please. Can I have my opinion, please? This is my YouTube. This is my documentary. Okay, I can say whatever the hell I want, but I can see and I can dream, because I have a dream that those two can go all above 500 million market cap. Yeah, I said it. What's up? What's up? Anyways, yeah, up and UpX. Listen, if you had to choose between up and UpX, I wouldn't choose. I would literally go on both, because it's the same case with EHEX and PHEX. Don't want to miss out on each one of them, and they're actually pretty close to their market caps. At one point, I believe one was above the other by like a substantial difference, but these two are definitely good to invest in. Okay, now listen, I don't understand fully the technical side of things and how it works. I know there's a benevolent wallet. I know there's like vaults. I know they're using, for example, PowerCT. They're using loans. It's basically a leverage on Pulsechain, right? If you believe in Pulsechain, Up and UpX are leverage plays on Pulsechain, which is beautiful. Okay, so there you have it. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, is INC, and this one is the one it hurts. It literally hurts. It's one of those tokens that I made a video on, and at some point I was holding, like, you know, a small bag of $100 to $200, and I sold it because I was like, you know, I gotta invest it somewhere else, you know, because sometimes I'm thinking of token holders as efficient. I need some money to invest in something that's hot. Okay, and then okay, this one is not being as efficient because we've seen INC stay in the same level for such a long time. If not, it was literally in a weekly red, every week was a red candle. So I was like, okay, let me not hold that anymore, and then bam. But that's the thing about crypto, you can never time it. Okay, and that's also the thing, is that if you really think about it, some people are referring to INC as a meme coin. I don't really get it. How could it be as a meme coin? It's literally a reflections token to the V1 liquidity protocol. So it's actually a utility protocol that is mintable. So inflation will be increased. So that's why, am I really thinking it's going to go back to the all-time high of 80% at $80? I don't know. It's tough, right? But if you look at kind of the low to where we are right now, it is a 2.5 or 3x in most cases, which is really unfortunate for me, and it's really annoying. I mean, is it worth holding for me? I am going to try to get a bag of INC. Seeing this, you know, go to, for example, $10, that would be a 5x from here, obviously. Above $20, that would be, you know, amazing. But seeing it touch back at $80, really hard to see, because you remember, it is an incentive token. You know, it's for the V1 pool, so it's going to constantly keep minting. So we'll see. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments about INC. Still a bullish signal. Okay, let me tell you that it's still a bullish signal, but it just hurts that I didn't buy at the 50 cents. Okay, so I am late by a 2x, unfortunately. It's okay though. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, this is PTGC. I made a couple videos on this, multiple videos. Even interviewed the dev. Go watch that interview, by the way. PTGC. The guy has incredible vision for this. Incredible vision. Talk about this could reach $1, bro. $1, yeah. But obviously, you know, going back to reality, right? But going back to reality, let's think about what is actually achievable this year, for example. Okay, this one is a very, if not, I think one of the strongest, like, tokenomics I've seen. It's very smartly planned. Okay, we've had multiple chances to buy in the 1 million range. We've had chances to buy way under the 1 million when it was, and right now it's at 5.4 million, way above all-time high. Okay, you know, where can I see this going with that liquidity? Definitely, I can see this going above 100 million. Like, I don't think it's even, you know what I mean? It's a realistic. It is a realistic. So we're looking at, you know, just under 20x from here. Okay, that's just 100 million as well. That's not even like full bull run effect. We're talking bull run effect. Yeah, I can see this 400 million and above. Okay, but you know, set your goals. You know, you're gonna take profit level at 50 million, profit level at, you know, 100, 150, 200, 300. You know what I mean? Like, you have to be safe. You have to be a disciplined trader. Think about that. You know. Anyways, that's a topic for another video. Anyways, next up, these are the, by the way, the next four are going to be the, I forgot what they call them. The amplifiers, yep. The amplifiers are mentioned in the Gray's currency. So PTGC is still related to the PTGC. This one, I think, has potential. Okay, it's still very riskier. These are 4 amplifiers that are basically, you know, burning PTGC and from the taxes and stuff. Very smart. So you got burn token, you got energy, you got 808, and then you got liquid. They're all in that 100 something or 80k markup or 100k markup. And I think, honestly, this is an opportunity. For example, for me, I'm planning to, honestly, guys, I'm going to keep it real with you guys. I'm planning to just buy $50 in each. Like, I don't know, $100 in each, if I could manage that anytime, because I don't want to really miss out. So I might start off with $50 in each, because you never know, right? Because a 10x is just 1 million, for example, with this one. An 80x, a 10x is just 800k. You know what I mean? And being at 800k market cap, that's nothing. So we're looking at, okay, these all could go above, you know, we're talking, you know, I just don't know. I actually don't know. But I'm just saying, like, these tokens can have, you know, sick buy pressure. Because if you really look at it, guys, like, I mean, if you look at, for example, this one, if you look at the Block Explorer, how many holders are there? Right? The lower the holders, oh my God, you're going to realize, yo, there's only 109 holders. That's absolutely nothing. Okay? People are not choosing to buy this. Wait, people are not choosing to buy this. It's because they literally don't know about this. This is another way to make good, like, early plays, is to look at things that are low volume, low maker count, so unique wallets, as this says right here. And I think that's a unique opportunity, isn't it, everyone? Okay, so yeah. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna keep it there. Those are the 4. Okay, liquid, 808, energy, and then you got the next up is Spark Swap. I really love this, and I think this is a great opportunity for you guys right now, because I have literally invested right there. Dropped to $600 right there, so I'm actually quite up, and obviously up here I was way up. But you know what I mean, Spark Swap is one of those, like, I can see this going, you know, back to $2, definitely. I think, did it reach $2 or was its all-time high was like $1 something? But I can see this going to $10, $20 this bull run. Yeah, just like how PancakeSwap did. Let me know what you think. I don't want to talk too much. Okay. Anyways, next up, PRS, Pulse Reflections token. This one is great. This one I'm not personally holding it, but I need to. Okay, because look at the price right now. It's a great kind of area. It's in that range where it was in the previous low support level. You know, it just tested it. Elliott wave theory, right? You got the, what do they call it, the motive waves, which could be like, I don't know, 3 or 4 kind of, I don't know, you can imagine it, but I'm not sure if it would work on which type of candle. And then you got the correction. So we are in the correction phase, right? Because sometimes when a thing goes up too rapidly, it's going to come down just as quick, but in a corrected level. It's going to find its true value, and then we're going to slowly go back to, okay, either consolidation, which is a bullish signal, by the way. It is a bullish signal. But yeah, PulseX, PRS, great opportunity. Gives you reflections, obviously, as you can know. Pulse reflections in Pulse. Might get a bag of this. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I might get a bag of this. Liquidity is low, so, and it's under. Wow, I just realized it's under 1 million market cap, which is a great feeling, because investing in those under million market cap, if this goes to 10 milli, 20 milli, 30 milli, 40, 50, like PRS, that's such a great and bullish name. PRS, like, very bullish. So yeah, this, I can see this going to, I don't know, 20 million plus in the bull market. Let me know what you think. Okay, I'm dreaming. Okay, life is a dream, actually, at the end of the day. So are we all awake, or is it just me right now speaking to the void? I don't know. But anyways, that's my thoughts on PRS. These are the tokens. Okay, this is only, maybe, I think this could be a part 1. A part 2 that I can make can be more of the riskier tokens as well. Let me know, and let me know if any tokens that I've missed. Should I make a solo video on a token that you like? You know, reach out to me. Join my Telegram, link in the description, ladies and gentlemen. We got the farmers community. We're talking about things on how to make money, answer people's questions. You know what I mean? If you're a beginner, this is a perfect place for you guys. Okay, I share about tokens and stuff like that I literally haven't made videos on yet. Yeah, so you do get some early plays opportunities there. That not only me, I share, the community shares. So it's a community driven, ladies and gentlemen, right there. I wrote this literally back into 2021, made by community for the community. Easy. All right, anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys have really enjoyed this video, learned something new, at least looked at some new tokens that you haven't heard of. Let me know in the comments, and have a great night, or at least I'm gonna have a great night. All right, see you later, guys. Bye bye.